First, from our company account, we need to go to the Jobs tab. Here we see all the offers we have published on Rviewer and the first summary of the volume of candidates we have available within each position. To see more detail about the candidates, we enter the offer. Whenever your offer matches with candidates already registered on Rviewer, you will have two different tabs available: Discover and My Candidates. In the Discover tab, you will see a weekly selection of active candidates who meet the requirements of your position. These candidates have all personal and contact information hidden. At first glance, you can see the main information of their profile, such as their role, salary expectations, and main skills. And you can also see the complete report with all their information. In case the candidate has solved one of our coding challenges, you will also have visibility of their technical report. If all or some of the Discover profiles are interesting for your position, you can invite them to apply by clicking on Invite. This will send a notification to the candidate with your job, and they will decide if they are interested. If you are not interested, you can click on Reject. This will help us be more precise with the matching of candidates you receive each week. Remember that the candidates presented in the Discover tab will only be available for 7 days.